All right. Again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday. On this beautiful October day here. Okay, so the SPY, let's start with that. SPY Qs, and then I've got a list of stocks I want to try to get through this morning. And I want to start with our dark chart right here. And I want to point out that, we're up, and I don't have this on real time. Let me fix this. There we go. Well, that's not going to work out well. Anyway, we've got a nice little reversal bottom here. We really do. And we really did reverse a little bit. And we could be starting to reverse back down. We're starting to run into a lot of resistance. We'll look at another chart for all that, I guess. What I want to show is look how the trend indicator is turning here. We've got a low, high, and so far we've got these higher lows, and the trend indicator is turning. Take a look at the 3-bar chart and look how that is really getting a nice string of those green dots in there. That's what I really want to see right here. So we've got the early stages on the daily chart. 3-bar chart is standing up. Hourly chart, the hourly chart is standing up nice normal little pullback here. Now what we need is we need a little bit of follow through. So we'll see today what happens there. Take a look at the Qs. Look at those Qs. Look at that bottom here in the 3-day chart, 3-bar chart, 3-bar. For those that don't know, the 3-bar chart is just nothing more than a 130-minute chart right here, 130-minute chart. And it just breaks each candle down to an even size, 3 bars for one daily bar, 3 bars on this chart. And I love looking at this a lot, and it really helps in a lot of ways. Anyway, look at that nice run right there. And that's what you want. You want that run to be established, and then you can look for long trades. Just the opposite for the bearish side. You really want those bears to get in there, and you can see how this let me get my crayons up here. There you go. You can see how that we're down right through there. Look where that could have been shorted. Down, shorted, down. Here's some short entries there. Down. And now you have a reverse change there. A little trend change. So just climb underneath that red line for short. Climb on top of that green line or those dots for a long. And you can see how that just works out. Really, really nice. Okay, let's go look at some of these charts because I've really got quite a bit to get through this morning. So Kico here. Look at the way Kico's gapping up. See how we went from this bottom up, back, and now we're back up. So we broke out of the trend indicator, came back down and tested, and now we're headed back up to challenge these highs. We get a breakout here. We could have a nice, a 10-15% run up there. So Kico is going to be on my radar here. AMD. So I forget who it was in the room yesterday. They took a little trade in AMD. My plans were to take that trade, up into here, but I decided to go in with them. So a little bit of AMD, everybody saw it. We posted it on the app and everything. And you can see how that's turning. So a little bit of an early for what I wanted. But let's see if that can't climb up here and get to that spot. Who knows? Make a little extra dough in there. Here's our fun trade for those that played with this yesterday. 27%, 27 cent or 28, what it was yesterday when we bought it. A little cheapy, just having some fun with it. Buy a few shares, something to talk about, something to enjoy, and just, make a little money on it maybe. We'll see. Beautiful rounded bottom here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look how we rose up right here. There's my arrow. And we'll make that blue. See how we rose up right through here and then slid right down, and then we rose right back up. Great candle yesterday. We're showing a little bit of positive trading. Yeah, Julie, you're green? Nice. Yeah, I'm a little green on this now too. So here we go. Now what we need is for this to move up higher. We'll manage this through today. I'll keep everybody updated if you're not around your computer with the app on this. Anyway, just a little fun stock. I don't think, well, I didn't buy very much. Just a fun little trade. FL here. Take a look at FL. That is a gorgeous chart, if you ask me. Here we have this bottom that it's put in, and now we've rallied up, we've rested, we've rallied up. Here we're resting. We're in a 3/8 trap setup now. The same thing Doug's going to be teaching on the 19th here coming up. That 3/8 trap right here. On that entry, how to find some of these setting up. So here, what I'm going to look for is a little bit of a, some bullish signs. Being Friday, I'm just not going to arbitrarily buy it. If this was a Monday or Tuesday, I just might arbitrarily just buy it right in here because it's right there. Being Friday, I might want to wait till I see it move, or maybe Friday. Beautiful, beautiful chart. WBA, I spotted that late last night. If anybody was hanging around social media or Facebook or anything like that, I posted a chart on Facebook there. Thanks for those that took a look. We were in WBA. We got out because of earnings. Well, I'm thinking about getting back into this thing pretty quick here. I like what it's about to do. It looks like right now it's about to break out over the 50-period moving average. Now that's going to make it a round of bottom breakout. What it doesn't have is it doesn't have the T-line and the trend indicator up there too far. So I'm not going to chase this thing. There's no way in the world I'm going to do that. What I would like, breakout. And what that's going to do is drag the T-line up. And once the T-line gets up there, it's likely to pull back a little bit until the T-line can pull through that area. And then what we'll do is look for an entry right there. I seriously have my eyes back on WBA here. Little inverted head and shoulders setting up as well. Great bullish candlestick. Just a beautiful setup price action here. Nvidia. Look at Nvidia popping up. So Nvidia, I think here, let's get rid of all that. We really don't need it now. Nvidia needs to move higher. I think it's doing a good job, but I think it needs to move higher. We've got this possible head and shoulders up here, and we need to get through that head and shoulders. So once we get on top of the shoulders, then that head can look forward and move us up. If we start to fail, this might turn out to be a nice short, only if it starts to fail. BX. Now you want to be careful with BX. We've got a lot of bank earnings and whatnot, so you want to be a little careful with that coming up. BX, I'm kind of watching this for both directions, possible long, possible short. If we break out of that top, I see a possible long. We break out of that, apologize, cold. We break out of this bottom, I see a possible short. So I'm just going to keep that my watch list. So JP Morgan had their earnings, and Yahoo. What is going on here with JP Morgan? I hear so much trash talk during the day. Everybody thinks they know what the earnings are going to be, and everybody guesses, and so much trash talk. Let's just follow the chart and forget the trash talk. Forget what your gut says. Forget what, well, the banks can't be earning. What the hell do we know as retail traders? We don't know that kind of stuff, and that's just something that we've got to fess up to. What we know are charts. Trade the charts. Here's JP Morgan, pop up. I certainly can't say whether it's going to hold here, but it's one that I'm going to be following, and if that bad boy holds up, I see some possible trading right back up here to 150, 158. So let's just simply trade the charts. SLB, oh my goodness sakes, what a nice chart. This is a, I think I believe I mentioned this yesterday, or it was a chart just like it. We've got a Morningstar setup. Nice double Morningstar setup here. And now we've got this sideways consolidation, kind of like the pop out of the box right here. And right now, it looks like we're trying to pop out of that box right in there. We can put a downtrend line on this right there. Watch for that thing to break out. That could be a super buy, big time on my watch list. EOG is another one, same thing. You've got that double bottom Morningstar, double Morningstar. You can see that we've broken out right here. We've climbed back over the 50 period moving average. T-lines over the trend indicator. Things are looking kind of cool here. NEM, POW, big bang today. Little hammer, Morningstar type signal. A lot of Morningstar reversal patterns recently. Here we popped up, and now there's our pullback, and here we are getting ready to challenge these tops up here. Let's look at the 3-bar chart. Look at that 3-bar chart on how that would have given you that 3-8 trap right in here on that 3-bar chart. Very, very nice. Yesterday would have been a nice 3-8 trap setting up here on NEM. MPC, 3-8 trap setup right there. Beautiful. Here we pop up and we rest. Boom. Right in that area. I'm going to look for some trading that it's going to have to go a little higher for me on this one. So we're going to have to get above these lows, above really pretty much the pre-morning high. I'm actually going to raise this up. There we go. Above 151. And I see a possible trade right in here. SE. Sorry, I'm going kind of fast. I have a lot here to look at. Somebody in the room, I apologize, cannot remember who, pointed out SE yesterday. I loved it. I flagged it. Look at that excellent 3-8 trap setup right here. Look at that beautiful trend, how it went from red, switched to green. Bulls are in charge. We've got a rounded bottom breakout here with a 3-8 trap entry. Terrific looking target area up here around 56. Watch earnings. We're going to have a lot of earnings coming up. This one's a little bit of ways, but it will be around the corner. MMC, well, that was it. Well, we'll put that one up there, but SE was the last one. MMC looks like we're opening up with a belt hold. Now, this won't show up when the market opens as a belt hold. This is just showing up pre-market because that's where it opened here and that's where we are there. When the market gets to cranking, well, when the market turns on, when the market starts, I turn the real time off. I still get real time, just different. But this is where it's going to show that it opens, is right up here. But here we've got this belt hold in there. All right, everyone, thank you very much. I apologize for the cold and the coughing that I did a little bit. What do you have there? Goodson Ford. Oh, FI. FI is a very nice RBB. No. You must be looking at a different stock. That's not an RBB. We'll talk about that after I get rid of this recording, okay? Oh, Foot Locker, FL. There we go. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Hey, we'll see everybody bottom of the hour. Let's get ready to rock and roll today. Thanks a lot.